This Cima safety trainer is part of the Skipper Lady range from Sixton and is tailor-made for the unique shape of a lady's foot. This is the ideal safety shoe for women working in indoor warehousing and light industry environments. Some of the key features of the Cima safety trainer include a 5-foot-Lady memory foam insole which is removable, absorbent and provides all the support you need whilst being dry and breathable. A built-in heel support structure keeps your foot firmly in place within the shoe, preventing sideways movement and enhancing stability. A self-cleaning double-density PU sole with a tread design tailored for indoor use and meets SRC anti-slip standards. If your workplace requires ESD-rated footwear, then the Cima has you covered, as it is ESD compliant. An aluminium toe cap protects your feet from forces of up to 200 joules, whilst a non-metallic insole provides puncture resistance from beneath, keeping your feet safe throughout the day. Sixton's stable active support frame within the sole of the shoe supports the natural movement of your foot without compromising comfort and energy absorption, allowing you to move with more confidence. These shoes weigh only 420 grams, making them one of the lightest safety shoes on the market, ideal for long shifts where heavy shoes can be tiresome. Unlike many safety shoes, the Sixton range of shoes is designed and manufactured in Italy using only quality materials. You can find the Sixton Cima in stock at Start Safety, with next day delivery, along with a wide range of safety products and PPE for all your workplace needs. Go to startsafety.uk today or call 01905 794 875 to order your new safety shoes today.